What's up, guys? Today we're at the range with Pops, and we're gonna do a little bit of shooting. Nice and safe, you know, Corona. Gotta get ready. That's nice. That's nice.
Yeah, you got 2 shots. Oh, there you go. There you go. You don't need to line it up.
You need to line it up, bro.
Good group.
Yep. They did. There you go, that's a nice grouping right there. Freaking picked up a watermelon, and yeah, this thing is heavy. You said like 10 pounds.
10 pounds.
I said 20. Hold on. We gotta zero it out, you know?
Hold on.
Oh, that's crazy. You see that?
34.8 pounds watermelon.
For a watermelon.
Holy shit.
That's insane. You turn this into a workout. This is crazy. Jesus. That's insane. What's up, guys? We out here in Miami. We're about to go to this yacht right here, infamous Top Gun, and we're gonna fly some people and show them a good time. A bunch of qualified captains, as we like to call them, and it's always just a shit show out here. So stay tuned though. We're gonna get these people flying, and we're gonna show them an awesome time. That's crazy.
Yeah, it's just crazy for a second.
That's crazy. Look at that. Fuck. Look at it. It's gonna flip all the way over. That's a brand new Sea-Doo, dude. I gotta stay near them so they know that like we're here type shit. You know what I mean?
They saw us.
You think so?
They're all looking when we pulled up.
Oh, for real?
They can see the boards and everything.
Another day in Miami. Look at this. Star Island. We out here. Yacht charter, you know. So it's a normal day, you know. Got the best job in the world, man. Make people happy, make them smile, make sure they have a great time. Gotta love it. If you guys ever want to book anything, or you want to do a flyboard lesson, I mean, any water toy you can think of, we have it. Just go ahead and check us out on Instagram. It's aqua_flight. And yeah, you guys check out our website as well. It's www.aqua-flight.com. And you guys can also, you know, comment on the YouTube channel, and we'll get you out here. We'll get you guys doing some fun stuff. There's no doubt about it. And we got oh yeah, another day out in the water. Nice Sunday fun day. There we go. How'd you like it?
I love it!
Oh, hell
First
yeah.
timer.
Oh, I love it. Hell yeah. That's what we do, baby.
Yes.
Put a smile on people's faces. Hell yeah. Oh, you killed it. That was freaking awesome.
Yeah.
We just flew one person. Gonna get another one right now. Hey! Oh, that's what we do out here. Best job in the world. Perfect, dude. Yeah. Nice. Nice. Good control, bro. That was nice.